also use the Sculptor. It is the Sculptor 078 to grind my coffee. It also has the RPM control, so you can control if you want to grind faster or no. And I also use this grinder for espressos.
TIMEMORE support me too much, and I love the skulls, the grinders, the drippers, and for me it's super cool to stay here.
I love of all TIMEMORE products actually the ease of use, and like the knocker is so satisfying to use, you know, the magnetic cup, everything. Love the form factor, very small and with all the functionalities of the bigger ones. So I would be like very happy to use them for my espresso machine that I have, and yeah, it's very nice, amazing actually.